Good day everyone! This is Shaya again, your VA mom na tutulong sa'yo para maging virtual assistant ka na. Yes, magiging virtual assistant ka na. You manifesto na yan! Okay, start tayo. So for today's video is ipapasyal ko kayo sa mga site kung saan pwede kang mag-apply as a virtual assistant. Some of these site is actually beginner friendly. Ngayon, papasyal ko kayo, but before ka mag-apply or mag-send ng application, is kailangan mong gumawa ng portfolio aside sa paggawa ng resume. Okay? You need a portfolio, especially you're applying as a virtual assistant. Kung mag-a-ask ka kung ano ang portfolio, lalabasin sa screen ko kung ano ba ang portfolio. Meron akong video na tinakel paano gumawa ng portfolio gamit ang Canva. So, start na tayo guys. And then, ready na kayo. So, first na site na papasyalan natin ngayon is yung Yockly. Makikita nyo dito guys sa screen ko is yung because I tried to check natin itong company website. So, because I tried to apply and create, or pass my application just to show you guys ano yung itsura ng Yockly. And then, click natin tong Yocklify now. So, meron silang mga openings. And then, there is some openings here. Appointment setter, business development representative, business, same, client success manager, graphic designer, marketing manager. Now, if you found yourself na kaya mo to or may experience ka, nag-work ka sa local company and then isa kang marketing manager, you can apply here, click apply or video editor. Once you click this one, is makikita mo dito apply to position. And then you will see here the duties and responsibilities. Raw footage into captivating visual stories. Na makikita niyo po dito yung requirements and qualifications. Or pwede kang mag-apply using LinkedIn or sa Indeed resume. Next naman natin guys is itong virtualstaff.ph. Now this virtual staff guys is mas okay siyang i-log in o mag-create ka ng account using your mobile phone. Kasi hindi talaga siya nag-a-appear dito. But here, pag in-open ko kasi yung phone ko, doon lalabas yung mga openings and then pwede kang makapag-post. Makikita nyo dito guys yung mga nag-o-offer ng mga services which is ito po. For example, this one, SEO specialist, yung rate niya is $8 per hour. Then, graphic designer, virtual assistant, video editor, $5 per hour. So, ayan guys, makikita nyo dito, sino-showcase nila yung skill nila as a virtual assistant. So, ganun din yung gagawin mo. Gagawa ka po ng account mo dito and then showcase mo. That is one of the reason why you need a portfolio. Remember, this is a virtualstaff.ph. And then, this one naman is a vajobs.ph. Pwede ka po ditong i-post mo rin yung profile mo dito. Ilagay mo. find projects or create profile. Mag-create ka na account dito. Then, check natin itong find projects. Okay. There is 151 projects found. Creating social media accounts. September 23, 2024. So, ang bid nito is, wala pang nag-bid, but yung offer is $10 per hour. Okay. Here naman guys, Amazon sourcing BAs, CRM build-out. Yan, makikita nyo to. Ilalagay ko po yung link sa comment section natin guys. And then this one is my Outdesk. Pwede po kayong mag-apply here. But hindi ko po alam yung proseso. But at least meron kayong idea kung saan kayo posibleng mag-apply kung gusto nyo mag-start sa agency. Click mo lang po itong My Outdesk, then apply. And then you will see here, there's a questionnaire here. And then there's a resume. So aside from portfolio, you need to at least have a resume aside from portfolio. Now, let's proceed here guys sa Indeed. So, sa Indeed naman guys, ito, pwede isi-search mo lang tong home-based virtual assistant. And then, lalabas na po dito yung mga available or yung mga jobs. Meron ditong freelance chat-based tutors. Makikita nyo po dito yung duties and responsibilities. For example, ito, telemedicine nurse, Mandarin speaker. So, ang offer is 70,000 to 100,000 a month, full-time. Pag clinic nyo po ito, makikita nyo po dito yung duties and responsibilities. Let's go to the next one, guys. Mabilis lang po talaga tong video. Okay. Here, guys, I found this Novo va.ph. Become a VA. Click here, ready to become a Novo virtual assistant. Okay. Provide your information here. And then upload your resume. And then tell us about yourself. Explain why you should be considered over any other applicant. And then there is a system requirements. Makikita niyo po dito guys kung ano yun. And then once done, sagutan ng mga question, yes, click mo lang submit application. Then I think you need to wait for a couple of days. Usually ganyan naman guys sa mga agency, couple of days talaga. And then if alam ko sa inyo na familiar na to is yung Upwork. Yes. So, you need to create your Upwork kasi medyo okay pa siya. Okay pa siya guys. Makikita mo dito. For example, ito is posted lang to yesterday. Graphic designer and virtual assistant. It's, it is a United States client. I'm not sure, but the payment is verified. And then, the offer is only $5 to $7. And then, here is about the work. We are a marketing agency. We need you to be available on Eastern time. Mainly, it will be organized work, but occasionally, we will request same-day work. Need to be able to help with design ads and content occasionally, weekly and monthly reporting. Schedule posts or social media like that or like that. Okay, napakahaba pa. So, gawa ka po ng account mo dito. And then, pwede kang mag-apply ng mag-apply. Pero meron po kasi tinatawag dyan na connects. So, if may, for example, this one, meron pa po akong 84 connects. Kasi, pag once na mag-create ka ng account sa Upwork, meron silang, I think, free connects para makapag-send ka ng application sa mga clients. This one, social media manager, content creator. Nandito po makikita. Yan. And then next naman tayo guys is itong nakita ko is jobleads.com. Yes. So, pwede ka ditong gumawa ulit ng profile mo. Bago ko lang tong guys. Bago ko lang tong nakitang tong site na to. So, Philippines online. Search natin. Social media. Philippines. Search natin. So, meron po dito social media growth and lead analytics. Markets. Posted 5 days ago. Pero ang laki guys ng kailangan natin ng remote. Go premium para makita natin tong full access. And then I think this one guys, kaya malaki siya, I think that is an annual salary. Yeah, might be annual salary. Create po kayo ng account here and then pwede po kayong magpasa ulit, like mag-apply. The thing is, kailangan mo kasi mag-subscribe to Go Premium guys para lang makita mo. See? 14-day full access. Then, next one is vavoom.ph. vavoom.ph. Yan. Andito, makikita nyo po yung step-by-step process nila. Paano pag-apply sa company nila. Okay. Guys, ito yung mga site na nakita ko na, company, siya, agency or, mga site kung saan pwedeng mag-apply ang mga virtual assistant. So, pwedeng ikaw mag-apply ka. Actually, guys, meron akong mga list ng mga mga small agency na direct sa client talaga, yung mga small agency pa na nagbi-build pa. Hindi katulad nito na medyo malaki na kasi sila. So, merong mga agency na nag-a-accept talaga ng mga beginners. And then, comment down below if gusto nyo pong makita yung video na yun. Ito guys, itong video na to is pinakita ko lang sa inyo para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung saan posibleng i-showcase ang skills nyo or yung experience nyo as a virtual assistant. Kung wala pa, gumawa ka ng portfolio mo, i-ready mo yung resume mo. And then, kung interested kang matuto kung paano sagutin yung mga virtual assistant interview, comment down below lang guys. Okay? And then, nakikater ko lahat ng suggestion nyo po. Okay? So, if wala na pong question is, see you sa training sa this upcoming Saturday guys. See you, and then I promise that I will put all the links on the comment sections of all the, on the site that I show you. So you can check out and, submit an application. But first, you need to create your portfolio. And I've created a video for that, guys. Nandito lang yun. Pasensya na kung nag-i-English ako. Pinapractice ko sarili ko. Dapat ganun ka rin. Bye-bye, guys. See you sa next video. Have a nice day.